Guys, I feel like I'm in a fairy tale because all the moss is on the tree. Like, look at this.
Wow, look at that. Ah, and up there, look at up there.
Yeah.
Looks like a fairy tale, doesn't it?
Uh-huh. Look at this one. It's like covered with moss. And it's like a sea because it's going up.
Is that weird?
Uh-huh.
It's weird,
There's a
isn't
little
it?
hole down there. Why is the tree like...
Is that cool, Zoe?
Uh-huh.
Ah.
I got some moss.
Did you get some moss? Show me what it looks like.
This. And I'm gonna eat it.
Is that tasty?
Right guys, look at this. I'm gonna eat it.
Eat it. Yep.
Yum.
Another tree there.
Yeah, let's go down this.
Go first, you go with that soy.
Guys, look at the light green moss where we live. But this is Tasmanian moss.
Tasmanian moss.
So that's where we live moss and that's Tasmanian moss.
Wow, so cool. Have a look at it. And look, there's a mushroom there on the side of the log.
Oh yeah, let's keep walking because I hear water.
You hear water?
Yeah.
You think it might be nice down here?
Look good for a swim.
Alright.
Guys, it's very cold because we're up in the snowy mountains.
Yeah, we're up in the Mount Franklin.
And we're also in West.
Yeah, that's right.
Guys, look. This is a horse. This is called horsetail tree. And
Turkey tail.
guys, look.
Is that a horsey?
Uh-huh.
You ride the horsey?
Come and look at the waterfall, guys.
Where is it?
It's over there.
Alright, let's go and have a look then.
Let's go.